In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the basics of flipping a PC for some extra money. Maybe you want to do this part-time, or maybe you're bored and you clicked on this video because it has a nice thumbnail. In reality, there really is an art to turning something undesirable into something worth buying, and that really goes with PC flipping. So make sure to give this video a like, because I'm still a relatively small channel and it helps me out tremendously. Because I'm not going to just be showing you how to do this. I am going to be doing it with you. I'm going to be doing everything I say, I'm going to practice what I preach, and I'm going to be filming and documenting the whole way so that you guys can get a better understanding of the whole process. So without any further wait, let's flip a PC together. Alright, so first step. Okay, so this is just a basic kind of thing where you put in your, let's say you found a bundle, it's like motherboard and a CPU, and they're relatively good for like $160. And you know, so you can just do that, or sometimes like if you find something on Facebook, you can just put in the link next to it. It's very simple. I'll link this in the description if you're interested. It's very helpful. I'm very organized with this. Yeah, you can also set your selling price or your budget. So our profit, or that's broken. Yeah, so like if I spent like 500 on whatever, profit's 150, margin's 30%, which is good. That's good margin. Usually want to shoot around a 30% margin. So if I come over here looking for a PC parts bundle, okay. Well, there's none close to me. I'm gonna set a budget for each thing on here. Alright, so I've adjusted my cost budget for each of these. This is gonna be kind of tough to get a good cost to performance system. But yeah, I think we can do this. PSU under $70. Yeah, that's gonna be easy. Okay, so wow. If this is true, then this is an absolute deal. But make sure to always do your research on the buyer. Sorry, seller. I hope I've been saying seller. The big hang up. Okay, they've had 5 neutral, 477 positive. Okay, this person, yeah, I can trust them. Okay, where I live, it's 6.5% tax, which is pretty negatable. We're already off to a great start finding good deals, price to performance wise. Alright, so I made a few edits to my components list because a few of them were already bought by other people, and I found a better case for a better price too. So I think I just changed the motherboard, the RAM, and the PSU, and the case. That's about it. I think I'm gonna upgrade the storage because 120 gigabytes is not enough. I'll probably pair the SSD with a hard drive. Everything that's in my shopping cart is the RAM, motherboard, SSD, the case, power supply, and then the CPU. And all those come to a total of $380.87. So I'll buy this and then I'll check back on you when I'm buying the other stuff. I don't have my chair. It's about a week later now since the last clip. Here's the updated parts list. I actually bought everything now, and for the hard drive, I actually ended up getting 3 500 gigabyte ones for $32, but I'm gonna spread those out across my next builds. So our total cost, including tax, came to $541.52, which means we're $8.48 away from our budget, which is really good. Anyway, now we build the PC. There's absolutely no way. So there we have it. There's the full parts group full parts group, I don't know. We got our case, still gotta take that out. And then building time lapse. Alright, now I put the case on. No. There we go. Alright, now she's built. Got it plugged in. Time for the moment of truth. So there we have it, guys. Our PC is up and running, and I installed Windows on this flash drive. So yeah, that's why it has Windows. It's not activated though. And just look at how gorgeous this thing is. Alright, so I'm gonna take some pictures and videos and then list this on Facebook Marketplace with a few nice photos. You know, all the usual stuff. I did a really detailed details. Priced at 680 bucks. So I'm gonna see if anyone's interested, and in the meantime I'm gonna be editing the video. I forgot, so I have a growing box collection, and I wanted to put these up there. I swear to God, if I fall, it's not even gonna be funny. Alright, I think that's a good place for the... Oh shit. Bruh. Alright, this time, no mistakes. It's a little crooked. I think it's fine. As for the Ryzen case, or Ryzen box, so boom. There we go, it's not crooked. XPG RAM can go right next to it. Well, it's not exactly the same height. Alright, hopefully that's not too noticeable. Right, now we just have the motherboard. Boom. Perfectly square, as all things should be. So earlier, I was talking to the buyer, and I ended up getting more than the asking price. Condition, however, is that I upgrade the PC to 32 gigabytes of RAM instead of 16, which I already had. So I did a RAM swap from my personal PC with the newly built PC, and boom, upgraded PC. I don't know what. The RAM that I had in my PC was free, so still profit. And anyway, he's about 20 minutes away, so I gotta finish editing real quick, and yeah. Alright, he said he just pulled up. What's up? Pretty good, how about you? Alright, so just making sure you know that it's not like a bunch of rocks or anything. Yes. Alright, thank you. Thank you. And $700 later, that is how you flip a PC for a serious profit. So, there you have it, guys. Hopefully you learned something. But yeah, my phone is running low on storage. And with all that said, have a good day. Goodbye.